Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 1 bit 2 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 1 bit 2. Now moving on to question number 1 bit 2, it is given that find the sum of the following APs and the given number sequence is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 to 12 terms. Guys, this question also looks too simple, too easy. Let's see how we can solve this question. Solution. So guys, as per the question, we are going to find out the sum of the following AP to 12 terms. And the given AP is like minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. So let us first of all put the data in this form so that it will be easy for us to do our calculation. So I will write first term, second term, third term, and last I will write 12th term, because till 12th term we need to find out the data, or we need to find out the sum. So first term is minus 37 I can write, and second value is minus 33, and the third value is minus 29, and this one we don't know, we are going to find out this value. And let us name this one A1, A2, A3, A12. So just I am putting this data in this tabular form so that it would be easy for us to understand and do our calculations. So guys, you will take just hardly 5 minutes to do this type of thing, 5 or max 10 minutes, not more than that. I am taking little time so that I am explaining you. Okay, now here we are going to, first of all, we are going to find out the sum of the 12th term. For finding out the sum, first of all we need to find out this particular this is A12, this particular missing value like A12. So once we find out this A12, then it would be easy for us to find out the sum of 12th term. Okay, now in order to find out the 12th term, in order to find out this 12th term, we require the common difference D here. So D is equal to second term minus first term, that means A2 minus A1. We can consider also third term minus second term. Whatever the way you people feel comfortable, you can consider the data. So A2 is minus 33 minus A1. A1 is minus 37. Just I am putting minus 37 in the bracket so that it would be easy. Otherwise we will confuse the minus plus symbols here. So minus 33 minus into minus plus 37. That means we are getting 4. Now we got the value of D as 4. So putting the value of, putting the formula AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D, we are getting here A12. For A12 we will calculate out, like A12 is equal to A1 is minus 37 plus here N is 12. So I am taking 12 minus 1 into D into 4. Or A12 is equal to minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4, that is equal to minus 37 plus 44. So that is equal to 7. That means we got the value of A12 as 7. This is one figure we found out, like A12 is equal to 7. So we calculated out this value as 7. Okay, now our main motto is to find out the sum till 12th term. So now the things will be more clear and more easy, because we have all those required things that we are going to work out. Now we very well know the formula for finding out the sum of terms, and we can write S2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. Here the value of n is 12, because we are going to find out the value of the sum of till 12th term. So we can write 2s12 is equal to 12 into A1 plus A12, because for 12th term we are calculating. So I can write 2s12 is equal to 12 into A1 is minus 37 plus A12 is 7. So, or I can write S12 is equal to 2S12 is equal to minus 37 plus 7 is nothing but minus 31. Or I can write S12 is equal to 12 into minus 31 by 2, or that is equal to, I can write 6 into minus 31. Or I can write, sorry guys, minus 37 plus 7 is 30. I did a small calculation. So, I can write 6 into minus 30. So, 6 into minus 30 is nothing but minus 180. Therefore, S12 is equal to 180. This is what is found out, or this is what required. So, we can easily write, or we can easily say that the sum of the 12th term for the given AP is 180. That's all guys. If you have any questions or concerns or any doubts about this calculation, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.